Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to Third Age Total War. I don't know which video is going to be going out first. I'm assuming probably my other one, because I just got done recording that. My faction vote got 2 votes, which I was actually very proud of. I didn't actually think I'd get any. One voted for Gondor, one voted for well, they voted for Erebor, but however, in this mod there is no Erebor. It's just specifically all dwarves. So we're gonna do that as well. Um, you guys can read this. I've already read it, so I already know what most of it is. The only thing I am gonna skip is I'm gonna skip the video in the beginning just because I believe it has music and I don't want to get copyright, obviously. So here we go. Let's begin. Mordor draws all wicked things, and the dark power was bending all its will to gather them there. Gandalf, the shadow of the past. Ugh, I'm so excited. The Third Age Total War, it's one of my favorite games. However, I am not the best at it. I will not claim I am the best. If you guys have any tips for me, comment them down below. Do I wish to use holocrons? I can't personally use them, but my allies can. So sure. Earlier invasions. No. Sure. Resurrect. Sure. Yes. Mysterious documents. Sure. No. They die. They die. Counter invasions. Yes, that's always fun. Sure. Yes. Of course, there are invasions. Sure. I don't have to deal with it, so sure. No. Let them do it themselves. I'm gonna do Immortal Nazgul because, yeah, they are actually immortal in the books and movies. So, Shadow from the east. Sure. Yes. The next air. Responding additional units. Bands, riders, and tails. Press accept. Yes. Because dwarves do not have any cav, and that is their biggest downfall. Yes. Alright, here we go. So I think the only one of the very few like dwarves are obviously 100% fun to play. My only major issue with them is Cav is somewhat obviously an issue, just because I suck at using Cav in general. I can usually almost never play them right. That's why, despite Rohan being one of my more favorite factions, or at least movie and book-wise, I suck at using them. But the other flaw is I hate how disconnected they are from everybody. Like, you know, I had to go from here to here on the map, whereas usually the other factions, it's all in one place. But, not a big deal. So, I always try to get there to be population growth. That's my biggest ordeal. We're gonna get roads. Roads is the biggest thing. Dwarves already travel slow. So roads is a must. We can up the taxes a little bit. Oh, we'll come back to that. Roads. I don't know. Okay. Can I cannot build the mines, so we'll do a pig farm, sure. Okay. This side, I probably won't even focus on that much, because I really can't do much in the beginning, other than some small recruitment. Unless, because I know there's a few rebel outposts here that'll probably have me try to take. which is fine.
Yes, my king.
Here's my spy.
Yes, sire. Moving in closer.
Let's see that. Awesome. Sounds good. Sounds good.
Honor,
Ball in
my lord.
here. Send
My
the dragon
king,
slaves.
onward.
Free.
Combining the armies, sire.
And we're gonna start creating a small attack force here. Do I have a diplomat? Sometimes you spawn with one, sometimes you don't. No. Okay. At least I think you do. You used to, anyways. Diplomat. Ooh.
Aye, lord.
I want to get the Iron Guard over, but I don't want to risk them getting attacked alone or being bought out. So I will wait till not Dwell, Balin can get over. And we'll end that turn. Oh, yeah, I'm so excited to be playing this, guys. It's been a while, and Total War is amazing, let alone Third Age, because Lord of the Rings, is, like, my whole life. I've loved it growing up. Watched the movies first, then I read the books. I read the books 3 or 4 times. And I just love it. It's my favorite universe to pretty much escape to. So these two together was amazing. Really brings the world to life. You get to enjoy it. I'm pretty sure my agent died. Iron Rock. Alright, sounds good. I'm already getting a small... How long do I have? 15 turns. That's fine. I don't care about them. I don't have it. Rarely use it. Okay. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. Wow. I thought we were supposed to be friends. Guess that doesn't
Awaiting
happen.
your command.
I'm pretty sure I have everything with Dale. I'll
Dear
double
friends,
check.
what can we do for you
Yeah,
today?
I already have
Good day to you.
Thanks. We'll head to the Woodland Realm.
Yes, sire.
They're down
I
here
must stop
somewhere.
here, sire.
Aye, my liege.
Need more troops. And unfortunately, the ones I made here are apparently busy. I guess I'll do a pig farm here as well. Just get something building. Yeah, the dwarves are relatively easy in the beginning because they don't have a lot of spots to worry
Honor,
about.
my lord.
You know what I could do? You know what I can't do is build troops there to go with. So we'll just end the turn. I forgot, dwarves are just expensive. But once you get all their mining up, they're amazing. I think what's also nice about playing dwarves is the odds of Erebor, I don't want to say getting attacked, but being taken. Like, you have Dale right there. I mean, I played dwarves a little bit, but I never played a full gameplay of them. So, like, I don't actually know. I think the only one I ever played a full gameplay with was Lothlorien. Sure. Oh, we're already getting profit. Sounds good. Can't do anything, but I can raise taxes. I think that's one of the funnier things in this, though, is taxes in Middle-earth. Just for the simple fact that I can't even remember once, at least in the movies, where they even talked about a form of currency. Now, obviously, the Hobbit movies, no matter what your thoughts are on it, they had, I believe, money. Yeah, when they went to Lake Town. The books, however, they still didn't talk about it as much, I believe, but it was shown. I believe, like, obviously, when they were in Bree, That's honestly one of the only spots I can even remember, to be
My lord.
honest.
Of course, sire. Today's journey is
God,
over,
trying to
sire.
find the elves is a
I'll continue
pain.
tomorrow, sire.
I think there's
Today's
something
journey
here.
is over, sire.
Aye, noble sire.
I still don't have any troops here to buy. I'm gonna give it to like... Oh, I still have 15 turns. That's weird. I'm gonna give it to like... I probably have 10 turns left to actually... Dwarven warriors, dwarven miners. Sure, retrain one of them a while. No, I don't want to waste my money like that. Okay, end that turn. I'm gonna try to... Oh, they took it. Nice. I'm gonna try to get in at least one big battle, or at least a few
We
battles in.
bring word for you.
Yeah, definitely.
We cannot thank you enough for accepting.
I mean, the odds of...
Another proposition. We're happy to listen.
Alliance? You know, it says demanding, but
This
will you
proposal
accept?
is
Okay.
of little interest. An honor
That's
and a
fine. I
pleasure.
understand.
Farewell.
It's because, you know, you're a pointy-eared bastard. I'm just kidding. Elves are my favorite, to be honest. They always have been. Alright. That's fine. Still making a profit, even though it's not a lot. Erebor just finished with dirt roads, so I'll just go through. Unfortunately, they were free. Hopefully, this unit isn't. Part of me wants the ballista, but I really don't want the ballista. It makes it even slower. Like,
Honor, my lord.
I ain't about to deal with that. Okay, what do we got going on? A blacksmith, a market. Okay, so it's looking like a market. I always try to have something always building in a capital, because, like, it's the capital. Have that go up now. And, you know, if it gets attacked, you want the best defenses, the best troops, the best arm, you know, everything. So, that's my tip, at least.
Aye, my
Let's
lord.
try to...
That's not possible, sire.
God damn it.
Aye, sire.
I'm about to toggle foe just so I can find them. Because aren't they... Because aren't they like... They're like right along the border. Yeah, there's a place right up here.
Can I be of service? I must stop here, sire. You are mistaken, sire. I'll
Go that way.
continue tomorrow, sire.
Yeah, as the game progresses, the turns start to take longer. On everybody's, you know, even the AI's account, because it's just more to process. Oh, okay. Do you wish to... Sure. Yeah. Yeah, I have no... Yeah, Dale's the only one I'm good with.
Move out!
Send him with
Emptying
him.
armies, sire.
Bravo Road, sounds good. Ooh, made some money. Hey, there we go. Good there. I don't really need a brothel. Let's do a grain exchange. Get some more money in. I still can't do anything here. And then we'll just do a pig farm here, I guess. I still don't think turns to next available unit. Yeah, that's what I thought. Won't have
Aye,
a
my
lot of
liege.
troops. Down to 13 turns. Fuck yous. Okay. If I take
Aye,
these
sire.
guys out,
March!
I'll stay for
Aye. Move
keep
out!
them in for now.
My king.
You know, 5. I guess get the ballista. It'll help. We'll end that turn right there. Oh wait, no.
My lord.
Gotta find
Yes,
these
sire.
greedy elves.
Today's journey is
Actually,
over,
you know,
sire.
I really feel like
That's not possible, sire. Aye, my lord. You are mistaken, sire. I cannot go there, sire. You are mistaken, sire.
okay.
That's not possible, sire.
I really want
You
to say
are
it's here.
mistaken, sire.
I always do it.
Awaiting your command. Aye, sire.
Okay.
You are mistaken, sire. I cannot go there, sire. That's not possible, sire.
Alright. I don't have any places that can have stuff be built. Can't have any unit recruitment. I'm not going to worry about recruiting units here right now, so looks like it's keep my money type around.
My king. Aye, lord. March!
Try to
We march no
meet up.
further today.
Aye, noble
fall
sire.
on.
My king.
Oh my god, it's gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 turns.
We've marched our limit.
Because of that fucking ballista. Alright, that's a good thing I sent it out now, then. By the time it gets there and I get to the place, I'm hoping I have enough time to even siege it. I might take Ballin up just to siege the place a while. Oh fuck, they're about to go and take it. Yeah, I need to go up. Gotta go up. I'm gonna lose this mission. And lose out on the troops. Alright, that's fine.
Aye, my liege. We march to glory. We'll rest here the night,
I'll
sire.
already take him
Aye, lord.
4 turns to get there.
Move out! That'll do him today, sire.
My king.
3 or 4, yeah. Alright. Let's get some gravel roads in, I guess. And I guess also do a pig farm here. And now I'm broke, so yeah, there's that. What other place finished? It was over here, I think. Was it the... Wanted to see if I could change the taxes. If I could up the taxes on those, it'd be good. Especially once I can up the taxes on there. Okay. Oh, fuck. Always forget the damn diplomat. Oh, hey, I was looking for yous.
We bring word for you.
Sure.
We are elated you saw it this way.
Especially since I need
You
money.
have further proposals? Please,
Alliance?
let us hear them. It's good to see we could reach an agreement.
Okay.
Another proposition.
Military access
We're
for
happy to
military
listen.
access?
I must say, we are not convinced.
Understandable. I won't
The
push
pleasure was
anymore.
all ours. Farewell.
I think you need a legit reason to have military access, if I'm not mistaken. So, like, I would obviously need to be at war with...
Aye, my lord.
See, now I finished. Okay. So, I will head down to probably Lothlorien.
Yes, sire.
I don't care. Awesome. Awesome. Oh. Now we're losing out on it.
Aye, my liege. Marching now.
Oh,
Making
yeah.
camp here, good sir.
Aye, sire. Aye. Forward! We march no further today.
But, I can start building again. Already building something. I don't even know what food production does. Okay, I'm gonna build it here. I mean, like, I get that it provides food. But does, like, that help? I guess that helps with public happiness or whatever. Especially dwarves, you know. Fat bastards. I'm gonna try to get a battle or two in here. It's just really slow in the beginning. And then, you know, halfway through, you're having a battle almost every turn, almost. Didn't have that many. There we go, we're getting profit again. We got a pig farm. Market, town hall, brothel, whatever. I'm gonna do market because it helps with trade and it'll get me more money, and I can also raise your taxes. There we go, we're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere.
Aye, sire.
Hooping. Hooping. Got 9 turns.
Making
2
camp
turns to
here,
reach
good
there.
sire.
Aye. Onward!
I don't
That'll
know.
do 'em
1,
today,
2,
sire.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They'll make it just at like the last turn, so I'll siege them out, hold them there. Until then, what are troops looking like? Yeah, see, I don't care about this side right now. I'll start getting some miners, because I know it'll have me start trying to take out... Okay, just kidding. I'm only getting miners. We'll head back over here. Where's... There he is.
My lord. Of course, sire. Today's journey is over, sire.
And sure. 2, 3. Sounds good. Awesome. Awesome.
Honor, my lord. Marching now.
Sounds good.
Would if I could, sir.
Get
My
them.
king. Aye.
So
Approaching
1,
to engage
2,
the enemy,
3,
sire.
4, 5, 6, 7 turns. So yeah, they'll make it right at the end. Sounds good to me. Bowyer on a large pig farm. What is the bowyer? Gets axe throwers. I think I'll do it here. And then that's it again, pretty much. See, like, that's one of the biggest downfalls. Like I've been through 10 turns already, and like I don't feel like I've gotten much done. But like I know it's the beginning. Especially like the dwarves also I can't complain though, because like they are slow at first, you know, whereas Gondor, you know, you're right at the enemy front line. Here you got Rune a little bit down southeast. Mordor at the edge of Mirkwood. So like I mean I've got time.
Aye, my lord. Yes, sire. I'll continue to mow, sire.
Erebor finish, large pig farm, bowyer, blacksmith, fairground, council chamber. What is the council chamber? Okay. Helps with that. I think I'm gonna do fairground first. Just start getting more money in. Ooh, I can. Oh, let's not raise their taxes anymore, or they will be mad.
My king, leading the men with honor,
So
sire.
we're just gonna maintain
We shall
siege
hold
for
them
now.
to siege, sire.
Oh, you know what? They won't
Aye,
even start.
sire.
Yeah, it's fine.
We hold them at siege.
Aye,
It's
sire.
fine. Extra troops is fine.
March! We've marched our limit.
Because they'll either sit there and die, or they'll come out and face us. Usually the AI will come out. I rarely had it where they just sit and die. And then we get another troop and can send it up to Pollard. Construction complete. Ooh, we got a market. Town hall, brothel, fairground, gravel road. Let's do the roads. More roads we have, the better.
Aye. Aye.
So
Forward!
they'll either
We march no
come
further
out or they'll
today.
surrender.
My lord. Of course, sire. I must stop here, sire.
And that turn. Yeah, I don't know. With this being so slow, part of me wants to cut some of it. But at the same time, like, I want you guys to see what all is going on. So I guess just let me down in the comments below what you guys would like. And I can, go from there.
A proud
It didn't
victory.
actually come out.
We have lands and glory.
I'll just occupy. Don't want to start off rocky. Dwarven Wanderers. Okay.
Aye, sire. March!
Meet them.
My king. We march no further today.
Oh, they didn't have anything built yet. So let's do Town Watch. And okay, sounds good. There we go. And that turn. Ah, fuck. Damn. Thing. I'm gonna swing to Lothlorien, Rohan, Gondor, come back up to the High Elves, and then the Free Peoples of Ariel. It takes almost 30, anywhere between 30 to 60 turns to get almost an alliance with everyone. No, we don't want to see that. Well, I mean, obviously probably do, but, can't. Alright, so we're gonna build a mines. Get some good income in. Speaking of which,
To gonna be of service?
What is it
There
you
we
wish
go.
to discuss?
Let's get trade rates.
This seems quite very well.
Awesome.
What else
How
do you
about
have
an
to
alliance?
suggest?
Ooh,
It's good to see
generous.
you have further proposals. Please,
Military
let us hear them.
access, maybe?
No, we
Okay,
cannot
that's
agree.
fine.
Well, that
I
seems
understand.
fruitful. Farewell.
Sounds good, thank you. We're
Yes,
just gonna start
sire.
heading this way.
Of course,
Find
sire.
Rohan. Awesome. Great. Great, great, great.
Aye. March!
Good things are happening, friends. We might go retake. Oh, it's a citadel. Dane Doom. I thought it was Dane's Hall. Oh, you know what? Probably part of it. Changes the names. Let's see what the council has to give us anyways. We'll go with that. Where's this? That's what I figured. Okay. Let's do council chambers so I can finally up the taxes. Okay.
My king. Aye. Forward! That'll do him today, sire.
Want to go back over here? It's like right around here, right? Okay. Yeah. Because the Dwarven Warriors are good. And then...
Aye, lord.
Yeah, we could get another one here next round. Meet up and go take that out. Yeah, because it's always good to help do the missions the councils give you, because they can, you know, help you with money, troops, and also as long as you look good in their eyes, they give you random money. And then with this mod pack in particular, helps with your reputation a lot. Do a fairgrounds because it'll help with money. I know this will, but because of being 3150, I want to be able to still get a thing of troops over these bitches. Y'all, we're already starting
Aye,
off with trust
sire.
issues.
Onward!
You know, I can't even actually... Nothing good comes out of them. I think no, they're 420. How long do I have? I have 15 turns. So it's right here. Yeah, I have time. Alright, let's end the turn. These are finally
king.
gonna make it here in the next turn. Oh, god damn it. I keep forgetting about my damn dwarves. Or not my dwarves. My diplomat.
We're set for an ambush.
Let's do a pig farm.
Aye, sire. Move out!
Gotta wait another turn. I know you have that. Ooh. Takes 2 turns, 2 turns, 2 turns. Let's just get a unit of the Wanderers. And then, once they're done, I'm going to send them down with the Dwarven Miners to here. And that'll be, what, 3, 4, that'll be 5 units. That should be enough to take over a rebel settlement. I have no issues there. Oh.
Awaiting your command.
What is it you wish to discuss?
Let's start with trade rates.
This seems very
Awesome.
well. What
Alliance.
else do you have to seems like I might have
Awesome.
another worthy proposal then.
Military
Excellent.
access, perhaps?
No, we
Okay,
cannot
that's
agree
fine,
to
I
Well, that
understand.
seemed fruitful. Farewell.
Let's head to Gondor.
Yes, sire. Today's journey is over.
I don't
sire.
like to push my luck with them, just because I believe if you do, it can actually, put a scorn on your friendship. I do want to try to get map access, though, because that's always nice.
My king!
There is a plate, I believe this one, it's not building anything. Sure, do a large pig farm. That one's building something. Building. This one's the only one that's not, but it's because it's 3,500. I actually might even have enough next turn to do it. Don't know why I'm still clicking through. Okay, let's end turn. Yeah, I'm not going to end this video before you guys get to see a battle, though, because that would suck. I would not like to watch a whole Total War video without a battle. I was really hoping those guys up here would attack. I mean, it wouldn't have been much of a battle, it was only 1 unit, but it still could have been fun. I just wanted to make sure I had the full strength to deal with them pretty much. Alright, let's do a pig farm. Alright, we're gonna start making some money. Alright, next turn I'll start taking them down. And then we can go and take them out. Hey, this unit's finally
March!
Finally made it to Balin. Not much of interest here though. Okay,
Aye, my lord.
actually, we'll just go down this
Aye,
way. I know
sir.
there's a town, and I
continue
believe there's a
tomorrow,
fort
sire.
like right here. So, okay. I think one of the biggest things I like about the dwarves is that they have so many free upkeep spots in a lot of their places, so I don't have to worry about them being taken. But yeah, we're almost on turn 20. I think it's turn 30 or 60 where the attacks start happening, like the big invasions and stuff like that. So I'm like, 10 turns away from just annihilation, but it's fine. I don't know if I'm playing safe or if I'm playing slow, but like I said, I'm not the best at this, and I can use all the tips possible. Oh, wow. Whole thing filled. Alright, I don't want to build those just yet. I want to try to get the best out of my economy. Oh, this will be good soon. Let's get some roads. Can I up the taxes? I can up the taxes here, and I can recruit. Obviously, I don't want to recruit a thing of miners, but hey, I can recruit. If I recall, nope. Oh, it's this one, and it's the mine that is 3,500, which I don't have. However, fuck.
My king.
That's fine.
Aye, Lord. Move out. We've marched our
3
limit.
turns to get there. I have plenty of time. Oh, damn it. I forgot. Diplomat again. Making a profit. Making a profit. Alright, I will do that. Sure. Pretty much just wasted all my money on that. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, now, he
You're
should
on.
be... There it
Yes?
What
is.
is it you wish to discuss?
Start with trade rates. How about that?
It's good to see we could reach another proposition for us then?
Alliance.
Seems like I have
Okay.
another worthy proposal then.
Military
Excellent.
access.
I do not believe I'm able to accept. An honor and a
We're not gonna
pleasure.
push it.
Farewell.
And then we're gonna head up to Imladris.
Of course, sire.
It's gonna take a long
Today's journey is over, sire.
That's how long it's gonna take. Okay, that's fine. Soldiers
Aye.
here.
March! We march no further today.
No, we want to go for this. Get that 1,500 coins. And that's it for that. Try to end it on my citadel, just so you guys can see kind of what Dale's doing, because it doesn't really show much anywhere else. Okay, well that's done. You know what we can do? We can finally build those mines here. Get some more money. I mean, I pretty much just made myself
Aye,
broke,
sire.
but hey,
Move
I did
out!
that in real life too. Okay. Oh, look, the population's actually happy here too. They're building, so everywhere's building. So obviously, except for this one, you can't really build anything though. No big deal. Right, end turn, and then next turn we'll have our small attack force ready. I don't know if I'll be taking Gimli with or not. I'll have to see if that settlement will be okay if I take Gimli. If not, I will.
Can I be of service?
You can.
Aye, sire. I'll
Sure you get
continue
there.
tomorrow, sire.
Okay.
Aye!
Hello.
Onward! Aye, sire. Aye, Lord. Move
Oh,
out!
okay, they're already upset.
Honor.
Yeah,
Bringing the men together,
no,
sire.
that ain't happening.
Aye, sire. Onward! We march no further today.
Next turn, we will be in a battle. I don't think anywhere can build anything. Come on. Can't change the taxes in these two places. Can't up the taxes here anymore. I probably can't recruit. Okay, then we're gonna start recruiting for Balin's army up north. I don't want to really make it miners though. I want to make it warriors at least. I will retrain these guys. Guess I'll retrain them too. Alright, there we go. It's like I have money burning a hole in my pocket. So like, it's like I instantly have to, you know, spend it. But we got some money. Alright, let's go take this
Aye.
settlement.
March! Closing in the enemy. Aye.
What we got going
Starting
on?
with the siege. Aye, sire. The siege goes as planned. My king. Closing in the enemy.
Assault. Just so you guys can enjoy a fight. I'll probably lose some troops, but that's because they've got archers. Alright, let's save. Always try to save before a fight. Dwarves!
The time's come, lads! To arms!
Alright,
Fear already gnaws at our foes' guts.
start deployment. Sorry, got distracted.
Lads, assemble the lodge.
So probably just gonna end up rushing them. I'm gonna take 2 units this way. 2 units this way. And we're gonna take, can they access over here? Yes. And the
March. March quickly.
just gonna close in on them. Where are they going? You think they realize they can just go up this way?
Infantry, charge! Infantry, charge!
There we go. Now, as long as I can get in there without taking too much archer damage, should be Gucci. Which it looks like I pretty much will. Oh, no. There's that point blank shots. But they're too worried about that one. This is what the miners are for. They're essentially fodder.
are winning the
love the
battle.
horn.
If we continue like this, we will smash the enemy.
And charge in the back there. Let's watch this charge. Remember, dwarves are natural sprinters. See, and I think this is why I like Rohan so much. They're on cap. She's usually pretty quick. Here we go. Fight for the last one. It wasn't much of a glorious charge. My favorite when doing this is just like slow watching push through as the line marches.
General lies dead. We have sent the cart to hell.
Yeah, it wasn't special. Killed half their army.
Only half the enemy force remains.
There we go. Nothing special, but it's a small little skirmish until the big battles rise. Look at this. They're fighting back to back. That's so loud. Hold on. I'm gonna see if I. Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna turn it down. It's really loud. There we go. That's better. Probably should have done that earlier. Very few live. But we're not to let any survive. We just gotta remind them to keep going.
Ah, my lord. Our men are in control of the city.
There they go. The last of them falls. Tell you what, for peasants, they still did a decent number. When I used to play this as elves, I used to just sit outside with all my archers and rain hell upon them. Once the archers run out, they'd maybe have 10 troops left.
Be in awe of the victory
Here we
we
go.
have won here today.
There we go. Alright. Who did the most? Looks like my Dwarven Warriors, which is expected. I feel like the fact that one minor group only got 28, it's a little upsetting. Although, they didn't suffer that much, so they must have been in the back. Would be this one. Alright. There we go.
Glory to the king! Victory, sire!
We'll occupy that. We'll get rid of... we can't destroy that. Okay, that's fine. And there we go. Got 1,500 coins. Don't mind if I do. We'll do that. Can I raise I cannot raise taxes. Makes sense, though. Because, you know.
Aye, sire. My king.
Merge. I don't think there's anywhere else I can actually even build. So this extra money is good. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. I think I moved my diplomat already for the... I did not. Okay. There we go. We'll end that turn. End it on a good note. Yeah, I'm heading there next. But I think that's where I'm going to end the video for today. I know it wasn't as exciting as we were all hoping, but we did get a battle in, a small one. Hopefully the next one will be a little more exciting. Alright, and like I said, if you guys have any tips, leave them down below in the comment section. Alright, thanks guys. Have a great day.